gosh. Yeah. Ever felt like you need a secret superpower to transition from boss mode to family mode after a marathon workday? Hey there, JT here. Man, I'm so good to connect with you. Running a small business, especially here in Texas, often means long hours, right? And sometimes walking through that door at home feeling like you've just wrestled a long hour, exhausted, maybe a little grimy, and definitely ready to just stop thinking. But then you see your amazing spouse and your awesome kids, and you suddenly are supposed to flip the switch and be, sunshine and rainbows. Yeah, easier said than done. This topic feels right because my marriage, it's a strong marriage, and being present for your family, it's everything to me. So I know you as a hustling small business owner are probably facing the exact same challenge. How do you decompress after pouring your soul into your business all day and still have the kindness, the energy, and the patience, to talk and play with your kids and wife? It's a huge deal. And frankly, allowing that work stress to bleed into your home life can really chip away your morale. Seriously, it affects everything. So I figured out a few little tricks that have been absolute game changers for me. These are quick, actionable things you can literally start doing today. First up, the commute decompression chamber. This one is simple but powerful. As soon as I get in my truck, before I even pull out of the parking lot, I fire up some relaxing music. And I mean relaxing. No heavy metal, no true crime podcasts, just chill tunes. That drive home becomes my personal zone. It's like a mental rinse cycle, washing away the last meeting, the last email, and that last fire drill. And by the time I pull into the driveway of my house, I've already shifted gears myself. Then I do a 15-minute brain dump before we bail. Okay? Before I even think about packing up my bag, I take a solid 15 minutes to do absolutely nothing work related. Seriously, sometimes I just stare out the windows. Sometimes I just scroll through, cat videos, don't judge. But the point is, I'm actively not thinking about work. It's a hard stop for the workday. It's a mental barrier before I cross the physical threshold of my office. This helps me leave work at work. And the biggest one, my friends, the absolutely non-negotiable rule when I walk through the doors, no screens. No screens for me. No checking emails, no responding to texts, no taking calls. That phone goes on silent, face down, or in another room. My focus for those crucial first hours is 100% on my family. That feeling when you're talking to someone and they're constantly checking their phones, it makes, feel unimportant. I refuse to let my wife or kids feel that way after I've gone all day working. This is absolutely being present, truly present, and showing them they are my priority. These aren't huge, complicated steps. They're simple, disciplined moves that help me switch hats from business owners to dad and husband, and with kindness and a clear head. Because at the end of the day, our business are built on relationships, and the most important ones are the ones right there at home. All right. So as you head into the rest of your week, I've got a challenge for you. What's that one small intentional step will you take today or this week to truly decompress after work so you can show up fully for your family? Think about it, try it out, and let's discuss how it impact your home life in the comments below. Thank you for watching.